a melody of moments in the amber end of day. City after rain, where the heart learns to breathe. Soft and low, the jazz unfolds like secrets up its sleeve. And every drop's a memory in the cracks of cobblestone. City after rain, where you never feel alone. The streetlights hum their lullabies, a soft electric tune, while lovers dance through shadowed streets beneath the silver moon. A whisper rides the evening breeze, a story left untold. Each heartbeat in this quiet storm is worth its weight in gold.